Now a little bit about sentence structure or sentence order. In Norwegian, the word for sentences is setninger. So here I have written down an example. Jeg ser tavla. I see the board. And as you can see, I've put an S over the subject. Jeg should be the pronoun I. Ser is the verb. See. Then we have what they see. Tavla, the board. And it's very common in Norwegian that the subject comes first, and then the verb, and then the rest of the sentence. But when we put in the word ikke, which means, if I translate this, jeg ser ikke tavla, it means I do not, or I see not the board, which wouldn't make sense in English, but basically, I don't see the board. So the ikke would come after the verb, as you can see here. That is the normal place of ikke, making it negative, I don't see the board. But if you put a pronoun in a sentence, which I marked with a P, the pronoun will come between the verb and the ikke. So it will move the verb ikke, the pronoun will move the word ikke to after the pronoun. So this word would be jeg ser henne ikke. I do not see her, which I translate directly would say I see her not, which we don't say in English. And here again, I'm just going to take some more examples of sentences, setninger, about when I make it into a question. So first, I have my example here. Jeg ser tavla. I see the board. You have the subject, verb, and the rest of the sentence. When in Norwegian, you can take the verb se, which means to see, and put it in front and make it into a question. So, ser du tavla? Which means, do you see the board? So here I have the verb in front, and then I have my subject, and then I have the rest of my sentence. And if I want to put the word ikke in there, ser du ikke tavla? The verb is in front, the subject is next, and then I put the word ikke, and then the rest of the sentence. So if I was to translate this, it means, see you not the board, which in good English would say, don't you see the board? Now, if I put a pronoun in there, and then make it into question, see you her not, or don't you see her, which in Norwegian would be, ser du henne ikke? I have my verb in front here, I have my subject, and then I have my pronoun there, and then ikke. Just like if I didn't make this into question, the pronoun comes between the subject and the ikke.